Hey guys, it is the shittiest intro, worst intro in the world ever. But anyways,
so we got a lake.
We got a lake. Really? You're stupid. I got my new phone case in too, which is pretty good. Finally, after forever waiting. But yeah, we got a nice cesspool right here. That's clean. We got a nice doggo. But we're gonna make a dirt bike track, not the one we already have. We're gonna be going over Trump's wall. Trump, you little hoe, why do you build the wall right next to our house? Oh, damn, it's pretty easy to climb though. Trump, you need to work on your wall. I mean, sure, it's long, but it needs to be taller. Mexicans can get over this pretty easy. Oh, damn. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna be making a track of sorts. Oh, shiznit. Down by a river. And this title's gonna be clickbait as all hell. But anyways, yeah. Now I finally finished the track, pretty much. Nice freaking front end tuck right there. I don't know how well you can see this, but oh, nice triple on, kind of quad on-ish. Finish line double. Oh yeah, so realistic, bro. And here's our other track we made. Yep. Do your lap. Stop being so sick, boy. I can't see anything. You're in the way. Here, I'm gonna move.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Well, that's a lap around that track. But anyways, let's go look at the water. I like it down here. It's nice and I don't know where I was going with that sentence. I don't know where I'm going with half the things I say. Making a rut. Nice. Got this little river type dealio. No, don't frickin' do it, you stupid mutt.
Here, look.
Don't.
Junior.
She's gonna do it. Put that down. That
Tuner.
doohickey.
Petunia.
Don't yell at her. Say Tuner.
Tuner.
Look over here.
Tuner. You want this?
Yeah.
Ready? Go get it.
Oh no.
Go clean off.
Oh.
She's getting it. She's sending it.
Oh no, she went. Okay, I'm backing the hell out of
watch
here.
out. She's gonna.
Oh no, dog, you don't come near me.
Don't eat it. Let's actually see how cold that water is.
Get away from me, dog. You're gonna shake.
How did she get in there?
Ah! She almost took me out. Back it up.
I don't know how.
Try me. Look it, we've got a bush of logs. No, stop it.
Shake. Shaky.
We also got a lot of ashes down here. A lot of people have been dumping their loved ones down here. That's not very good to say, but it's. Look at all this. This is like the worst.
Here.
No. I already felt the water. Yes, I did. But anyways, short vlog because YouTube takes years to upload videos. So bye.